In this video, we're taking a look at the two cordless work light options available from the Lumberjack XP Series range. Both of these run off of the same 20-volt battery platform as the rest of the tools in the lineup. And depending on whether you need a handheld torch or a freestanding floodlight, there's something here to suit. Let's take a look at the features and see which one's right for your home, workshop or site setup. First up is the Lumberjack Worklight Torch. This one is designed as a compact handheld light, ideal for lighting up tight and awkward spaces or when you need a directional beam at an arm's length. It's got a rotating and swiveling lamp head that pivots to 110 degrees so you can angle it exactly where you need it. And it also has a utility hook built in so you can hang it when you need hands-free light. In terms of brightness, you've got two modes, 500 lumens on low and 1000 lumens on high, plus a strobe setting for signaling or emergency use. It runs off of the same 20-volt XP Series battery system and is lightweight and compact, easy to carry and ideal for jobs under cabinets, inside vehicles or anywhere you need to traditionally grab for a torch or a sight lamp. Next up is the bigger LED work light. This one is designed for illuminating larger areas like workshops, site spaces or outdoor work areas where you need reliable wide beam coverage. It's got a freestanding frame with adjustable tilt angle. Just loosen the side knobs, tilt the lamp head to the angle that you need and tighten it back up. In terms of brightness, it's got two settings again, 1200 lumens on low and 2400 lumens on high. So loads of light when you need it, and like the smaller one, it runs on the 20-volt XP Series batteries, which have the built-in battery indicator. So you know when it's time to swap or recharge. This light also has the option of plugging it into the mains. So if you're somewhere static or you run out of battery power, you can plug the lead in and power it up. Perfect for lighting up your workbench, engine bays, loft spaces, or any job where you need both hands-free and a flood of light on your workspace. I even use mine to light up my shed, which has no lighting in it. So, two really handy options depending on what you need. If you want a compact handheld torch style work light for site jobs or tight spots, the LT1000 is ideal. If you need a bigger freestanding light to flood a room or workspace, the LWL 1200 has you covered. Both make a great addition to your kit if you've already got other tools in the Lumberjack XP Series. Or if you're looking at adopting a new cordless battery platform, this is just a small part of an excellent and ever-growing XP Series range. I've just seen a sneak peek of one of the next tools that's coming out in the range, and I can't wait to get my hands on that one. Any guesses what that is? Leave a comment down below in the comments. I'll drop links to both of these in the description below, and you can check out the full specs and the current pricing. If you'd like to see more of these tools being put through their paces on real projects, head over to my channel, Renovation Dan. Loads of builds, workshop jobs and tool tests on there with plenty of Lumberjack kit in the mix. And don't forget to make sure that you subscribe to the official Lumberjack YouTube channel. We've got plenty more tool walkthroughs and workshop content coming soon.